Hey everyone, welcome to Compare Core, your go-to channel for the best product reviews and comparisons. Today, we're diving into something every kitchen needs, the best cookware sets of 2025. Now, before you spend your hard-earned money, stick around, because I'm breaking down the top cookware sets you should actually consider this year. From non-stick champions to durable stainless steel sets, we've got everything covered so you don't waste a dime on the wrong one. And trust me, number one on this list is gonna surprise you. Let's get started. Number one, we've got the All-Clad D3 7-piece stainless steel set. And let me tell you, this one's a real investment piece for serious home cooks. What makes it special is that every single pot and pan is fully clad, meaning you get even heat distribution across the whole surface. No annoying hot spots. The build is super sturdy. These pans feel like they're made to last decades, and honestly, they just look sleek on any stovetop. In this set, you're getting the essentials: a 10-inch frying pan, a 3-quart saucepan with lid, a 3-quart sauté pan with lid, and a massive 8-quart stock pot with lid. Buying them separately would set you back over $550, but this bundle saves you some serious cash. Now, they're not cheap, and yeah, the handle design takes a little getting used to. But these pans are oven-safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. They won't warp, and they're PFA-free. All-Clad makes their cookware right here in the USA, and they back it up with a lifetime warranty. If you want pro-level cookware that's gonna last a lifetime, the All-Clad D3 is worth every penny. Number two, we've got the made-in 6-piece starter set. And honestly, this is one of the best entry-level premium cookware bundles out there. What I love is that this set gives you everything you actually need, without throwing in random pieces you'll never touch. You're getting a 10-inch stainless steel skillet, a 10-inch non-stick frying pan, plus a lidded saucepan and a stock pot. That's the core lineup for pretty much every recipe, from weeknight dinners to big weekend soups. Made In nails the balance between quality and price. It's not exactly budget cookware, but compared to high-end brands like All-Clad, it's a little easier on the wallet while still delivering great heat retention and induction compatibility. The handles are ergonomic, the design is sleek, and honestly, these pans just feel good to cook with. Now, the stainless steel can scratch a bit, and yeah, it's still pricey for some folks. But if you want both stainless steel and non-stick in one reliable starter pack, Made In really delivers. It's a smart pick for anyone kicking off their cooking journey. Number three, we've got the Lodge Seasoned 7-piece cast iron bundle. And if you're looking for durability and serious heat retention, this one's hard to beat. Cast iron is famous for holding on to heat like nothing else, which makes it perfect for searing steaks, burgers, or chicken with that amazing crust. This set includes a 10.5-inch cast iron griddle, a 10.25-inch grill pan, and a 10.25-inch skillet. Basically everything you need for stovetop or oven cooking. And the cool part? It also comes with a silicone pot holder, a handle mitt, and 2 scrapers to keep your pans clean and safe. All of the pans are pre-seasoned, so you can start cooking right out of the box. Over time, they'll build up a natural non-stick patina that just keeps getting better the more you use them. Now, fair warning, cast iron is heavier than stainless steel. The handles do get hot, and it does require a little extra cleaning care. No dishwashers here. But if you want affordable, oven-safe, PFAS-free cookware that'll last for decades, Lodge is a true kitchen classic. Number four, we've got the Caraway Enameled Cast Iron Skillet Duo. And honestly, these pans are game changers. You're getting a 10-inch skillet, and an 8-inch skillet, both made with a gorgeous enameled finish that means no seasoning required and no worrying about rust. That glossy enamel coating also helps prevent food from sticking, as long as you preheat them right. Here's what makes them stand out. They're 100% non-toxic, free of PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, and heavy metals, so you can cook with total peace of mind. Plus, they're oven-safe up to 500 degrees and compatible with any stovetop, gas, electric, or induction. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. These skillets are a little on the heavier side, about 5.8 pounds for the 10-inch, and the cooking surface might feel small if you're cooking for a big family. And nope, they're not dishwasher safe, but cleaning is still pretty easy with just a rinse and sponge. If you want a set that's durable, non-toxic, and low maintenance, while also looking beautiful in your kitchen, the Caraway Skillet Duo is a solid pick. Number 5, let's talk about the In CeramiClad 7-piece set. A premium ceramic cookware collection that's perfect if you want non-stick performance without all the toxic chemicals. This Italian-made set is crafted from natural materials and is 100% free of PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. The ceramic coating gives you that slick, naturally non-stick surface that makes cooking and cleanup super easy. On top of that, the 5-ply construction means it heats up crazy fast and distributes heat evenly, something most ceramic cookware just can't do. For about $600, you're getting a 3.5-quart sauté pan with lid, a 10-inch frying pan, a 4-quart saucepan with lid, and an 8-quart stock pot with lid. That's a full set that covers pretty much all your cooking needs. Now, a couple of downsides. Ceramic doesn't get as screaming hot as stainless steel or cast iron, and it's not quite as durable long-term. But if you want an easy, non-toxic alternative to Teflon, this set is absolutely one of the best on the market. And that wraps up our list of the best cookware sets of 2025. Whether you're looking for pro-level stainless steel, budget-friendly cast iron, or safe non-toxic ceramic, there's something here for every kitchen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Compare Core for more side-by-side product breakdowns just like this. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below and let me know which set you'd pick for your kitchen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, happy cooking!